In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make date paste. What the things we need are date, a jar to pour in our date paste, and also a little bit of water and a blender. So now, if you're new to my channel, you're welcome. My name is Mary Matt. I'm a dietitian, nutritionist, a health and wellness coach, and a health living ambassador. I'm also a natural health practitioner, and I help health-conscious individuals to live healthy, live a sickness-free life, and reverse back health issues with the food they eat. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want more videos like this and tips and hacks on how to live a sickness-free life and all healthy nutrition and wellness videos. So for today, what we need is our date. We have soaked this date overnight, and I've also removed the seed in it, so it's easy to blend. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this dates that we have soaked here overnight and remove the seed, washed as well. So I'm going to take it now and add it into my blender so that we'll blend it to smooth. Yes, that's what we're going to do. So, but before I do that, I want you to understand that date has a lot of other benefits aside just the sweetening. So let's blend. So you can see I've poured this into my blender and I'm going to blend it just now. See, it's blending very well. So we have to blend this to smooth and make sure it is very, very smooth to avoid any lumps in it. See, that's how simple it is to make a date paste. You can see this is just basically 100% date, no extra ingredients added aside from water. Okay, now we have our date paste ready. If you have any question, please drop in the comment section. Remember to give this video a thumbs up. Remember to share this video with your friends and family. And also, remember if you have not subscribed to my channel to do so now, so you get to see more of videos like this that can be of help to you. See, very beautiful. You can use this as a bread spread. You can use this in your tea, in whatever it is that you need a sweetener. Remember that dates is not just a sugar or a food that contains sugar. Dates contains other health benefits that you should be having, if not on a regular basis, most of the time. Okay, remember to let go of your added sugar, your table sugar, and add more natural ingredients. And watch this my video where I talk about more 5 natural substitutes to sugar so that it can help your health very well. So enjoy yourself while with your date paste. If you want to know how to make date syrup, please watch this next video on how to make date syrup and enjoy yourself. Keep staying in health. Until next time, my name is Mary Matt and I talk health.